If I want to use the microphone that's plugged into this recorder, this is a plug-in power microphone. Now I have the Rode NT1 set next to me and I'm talking into the Rode NT1 now. It goes directly to the camera, and also this headset microphone, I'm not really sure if it's really needed anymore. It might be useful when I have to move around, if I move my head around a bit, but I tend to not move too much, and I see the levels on the camera, they are pretty good. This is the sound from the headset. Now it's Rode NT1, and in case the video is finished here and the sound is cut off, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. And now we continue with the part where I stopped this recording, so you don't see the headset anymore, and I'm talking into the Rode NT1 directly. And this is the Nutric, really good right angle XLR connector, and you can see this is the actual headset with the Primo capsule. That's the Primo capsule there. I want to keep using this thing, but it's nice to have another way to record these videos. And also the Rode NT1 sounds a little bit better, I believe, but the Primo microphone, it's also really good. This is basically what I did here. It was a lavalier microphone. I made it DIY, and then I bought a cheap headset microphone, and I only kept the actual frame of the headset, and this is the Mogami cable. So I'm hoping you can still hear me well, and hopefully this sounds pretty good to you. I see on the camera there is the XLR adapter, and also there should be sound. Yeah, I hope those are still working. So this is a pretty good setup, I believe. If it works, I will find out soon when editing this video. And the level is pretty good. It can be adjusted from this clip. The gain is set to 0 dB, not minus 20 or plus 20, and it's set to 12 o'clock, so it's really the default, and it sounds pretty good. If I wanted to make it higher or lower, I could easily do it. So I could increase the gain like this if I wanted to. This is the maximum gain. It's going to red again already, and this is almost nothing there. Basically nothing there, so I keep going. So the 12 o'clock position is pretty good. I wanted to get an external recorder, but eventually I realized that what I wanted was a way to not have to synchronize audio files with the video files in post. Like this, the sound and the video, they are tied together from the moment they are recorded. The camera will record 4 channels of audio, or 2 plus 1 in case I have this one, which is 1 channel. Actually, I will have to process this channel now, because when using only one microphone, usually I do this when I want to synchronize the audio, but I don't need to do this anymore. This part is going to synchronize by itself, and I made it so the XLR adapter sends the input from the microphone to both channels 1 and 2, so it's easier to edit in post. But this could be also edited to convert the only left channel into left and right channel. This could also be an option, but usually if you only use one microphone, it's good to have it set to the 1/1 input. So I'm already getting used to this. It's pretty nice that I don't have to synchronize anything, and if it works, it's gonna be great. Thanks for watching.